Guys, welcome to Paths Oasis, a peaceful space in everyday life where you can explore, discover, and unwind. Well, when the sun is out and the flowers are blooming, there's a lot of pollen going around. And for that reason, some people get allergies. Well, here are some travel tips when you're traveling and you have allergies. Firstly, always remember to carry your prescribed medication so that you enjoy the trip and you avoid your allergies escalating and spoiling the trip. For any inconveniences, just avoid and everything that you're usually supposed to carry. Secondly, you can decide to travel early in the morning or late in the evening when traffic is less and also when air pollution is less. Thirdly, when you've arrived your destination, remember to shower so that you remove some pollen and change clothes. You remove some pollen that you've carried along the way. Then, fourthly, if it's during allergy season, you're allergic to some open area places, then avoid picnics during that season. Avoid walking barefoot in the parks. Then, fifthly, remember to carry some things that will make your life more comfortable. For example, of course, the medication. Then also you can carry some insect repellent and you can carry a mask. You can carry some wipes to wipe surfaces. And well, any other thing you can think of, usually use. If you usually have a problem with when you're going to a hotel using the pillows, you carry your own pillowcase or bed sheets. Well, that's it from Paths Oasis, making your life more comfortable. For more details, check out our website, pathsoasis.com. Check out our books on Amazon, have good books. Paths Travel Tips and Tales is a very good book. It gives you so many tips when you're traveling. You can read it along also when you're traveling. Then Paths Cinnamon Recipes and Remedies. It gives you the many benefits of cinnamon and also some good cooking tips, good recipes. Then also Paths Makeup Business Tips and Bits. For those who like do-it-yourselves, they get good tips also from pathsoasis.com. Like, share, and subscribe on our social media handle. Until next time.